What's going on, guys? Aldrin Estacio here with FlytPath.com, and I'm here at the booth of YUNEEC over at CES 2018, and I'm going to actually have Ryan, one of the project managers here at YUNEEC, talk about some of their new products. One of them is, of course, the YUNEEC H Plus, and this one, which they debuted here at CES, which is the HD Racer.
Hi, I'm Ryan Kephart. I'm a product manager here at YUNEEC USA, and I'd like to talk to you guys a little bit about the Typhoon H Plus. This is our newest platform. It looks similar to our older version, but it's got a completely redesigned interior as well as exterior. It features a 1-inch camera that can do 20 megapixel stills and up to 4K 60 frames per second. That's 100 megabits per second recording and read and write speed. On top of that, it's equipped with our Intel RealSense. This provides 3D obstacle avoidance. That means it can fly itself around objects or above objects or even below objects. On the inside, we have an all-new flight control system that allows for more efficient flight, as well as a reduction in noise, up to about 40% in reduction. This gives us flight times of about 30 minutes. On top of that, we have an all-new flight controller system as well, based on the PX4, as many people may know it as Pixhawk. This is based loosely on that with custom programming for YUNEEC. This allows us to continue to do many different advanced flight modes like orbit, journey, follow me, watch me, as well as curved cable cam and waypoints as well. This is the HD Racer from YUNEEC. This is an all-new category for us here at CES 2018. It boasts a 1080p 60 frames per second camera that's also able to record that 1080p video right on an SD card on the aircraft. It sends out a downlink at 720p and allows you to use your phone as a digital link, as well as a set of goggles. That link is 100 milliseconds or better as far as the latency goes. On top of that, we have a cool feature called flip up mode. This allows you to, if you're in a crash and you're upside down, you hit a button, the aircraft will flip itself back over and you can continue on racing. On another note, it does have rechargeable LiPo batteries, so they last about 6 minutes each. If you want to stay in the game, you just pull a battery out, put a new one in, and continue on racing. Also new in this category is our brand new fixed-wing aircraft called the Firebird FPV. This is a GPS-equipped airplane that can pack down to fit into an overhead luggage of an airplane. It has a lithium polymer battery and can fly for about 40 minutes. It's also GPS equipped, which has home to loiter, so it'll actually fly back to its home location, loiter above you. You select auto land, it'll come back into the wind and land by itself. On top of that, it's got, we wouldn't call it FPV if we didn't have a 1080p camera at least on the front. However, this is a 4K camera that could pan left or right to allow you to look in the air like you would, like a bird would do. And thank you for visiting us at CES 2018. Hope you guys all enjoyed it.